Hello, hello. Live stream number 113. All right. Hope everybody's doing good today. Let's see, did I forget my phone again? Here it is. All righty. Just a minute here, getting everything set up here. Go. Right. I'm hoping we have some actual movement this session. Definitely wasn't much yesterday. Go ahead and check the news first. Make sure this thing. Okay. All right, mic is good. Yeah, I ordered the new cord for this mic. It was supposed to come today, but I ordered it kind of late in the day, so it didn't actually show up today, so it should be here tomorrow. So hopefully I don't have any mic issues today. It seems to be fine so far, but we'll see. Okay, as far as news, okay, yeah, nothing important today for the New York or London, which is good to see. Dollar looks to be actually coming down finally. Okay, yeah, so dollar might actually be coming down. Daniel S., how's it going? A fruitful day. Yeah, let's hope so. Fruits of my labor. Laboring a little bit too much these days, but you know, gotta pay the bills. Gotta be able to eat and everything. You know. All right. Okay, looks like the EGBP is coming up pretty easy. Okay, so that should be a pretty easy move there. Still very early. Still got about 26 minutes before the open, so I don't want to get into anything yet, even though this does look like a good move already. Nice EMA pullback. Good momentum on the hourly chart. Good momentum on the 4-hour and the daily, so it looks good all around, but I'll still wait though. Yeah, man, I think we're all feeling this around the world. Worldwide inflation, so you know, just gotta hang in there. It can't go on forever, so gotta make it through the tough time. Mr. Tiger, how's it going? Haven't seen you in a couple days. Yeah, this is a new account. I want to wait until the session is going before I get into the explanation and everything. Definitely videos coming this weekend since I have time finally to do some regular videos. I'm always going to do the live streams because I'm always going to trade, but I don't always have time to do weekend videos, the regular videos. But like I said, this weekend I will have time, so Auden ZD possibly going up too. I thought it would yesterday and it still didn't, so we'll see. Right now it's a choppy mess, so I wouldn't touch this thing at all right now. We'll see about that one though. This one might end up going up. But yeah, like I said, EGBP looks to be going up for sure. You say you haven't been trading, feeling off a little bit recently. Yeah, it's been a little bit difficult these past couple, I'd say like the last 2 weeks have been kind of hard. We have like a good day sprinkled in there, but mostly it's not a lot of movement. Like yesterday, I don't think I saw any good trades yesterday. And I even went back and did my analysis and I still didn't see any trades. And that's the first time that's happened since the Trump election. Trump versus Biden election. That was the last time I remember there just not being any moves at all. So when was that? 2020? 2021? I can't remember the year. I think it was 2020. But yeah. Yeah, last night was pretty bad, actually. There's usually at least one trade. So even if it's like a bad day, you usually get at least one, but yeah. Yeah, I didn't see anything. Okay, so as usual, the GBP and Euro cross pairs not looking the greatest, although they do like they're going up. At least these ones do. Probably still not going to get into those. There might be some movement on the yens as well. This would be a nice EMA pullback if it wasn't a double top. I'll probably leave that one alone. Same here. It probably does go up though. Yeah, it looks like the yens might be tradable today. Okay. Yeah, that's usually how it goes. If there's a day of nothing, then the next day should be really good. And then the same on the flip side. If you get a really good day with a bunch of trading opportunities, the following day is usually not that good because the pairs are consolidating after all the big movement. So that's usually how it goes. So today should have much more movement than yesterday. So the goal on the 100K accounts for me is always 1200. So 2-3 reward wins. I don't always get it, but if I can, that is the goal. I want to at least make 600 though. Yeah, this looks really good here. Yeah, it's okay to take like a couple days off from trading. I really do think trading 5 days a week just for months and months and months, you do kind of need some time off every once in a while. It is very brain power intensive. So you definitely have to give yourself a rest every now and then. So that's a little bit of about what I'll be talking about too. I've just been going and going and going for it'll be 4 years in September that I've been trading, and I've pretty much traded every single day, Monday through Friday, for the last 4 years. I think I took like a couple days off here and there, and of course you have holidays off, but yeah, mostly it was just like 4 years of trading. So yeah, sometimes I feel like I don't want to take too many days off because I feel like I'm missing out on making money. But yeah, it is important to take breaks too, so you have to balance that out. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. Yeah, I ordered the new cable and it was supposed to come today and it didn't show up in time. So I'll have the new cable tomorrow. Hopefully it's the cable and not the actual mic itself. Otherwise, I might have to go back to my super beginner little Tykes mic that you guys used to roast me about. But that's the only other one that I have, I think. Nah, there's a bunch of little microphones randomly throughout here, but I think that's the only like decent one that I could use to do this on. Yeah, I saw the Amazon truck outside. I was like, yeah, they brought it at like 8 p.m. I'm thinking that they had it. Nope. Wasn't there. I should have ordered it last night. I probably would have got it. I ordered it this morning. And they said it was going to be same day shipping, but that was not the case. It's all good. It'll be here tomorrow. Okay, so let's talk about this challenge situation. I decided I'm going to take a break from doing these challenges because I've been doing them for 2 years straight or something. And I won like I think 11 challenges, and I lost quite a few of those accounts, and I think I've just been doing those too much. And now that they've completely changed it, okay. I really wish that cord would have came today. Sorry about that, guys. It just keeps going in and out. Okay. All right. It's like it'll stay on and then it goes out. It'll stay on and it goes out. Oh my goodness. All right. When I messed with it enough yesterday, it actually ended up staying on for the whole session. So we'll see. We'll see if it stays on. I don't know what you heard or didn't hear. Pretty much, I'll sum it up. I'm taking a break from doing the challenges, but I will still trade on the FTMO 100K trial for now. But I'm gonna take like at least a month away from these challenges. And like I was saying, they've changed it to where you don't have to worry about the time limit anymore anyway. And that was the main thing that made the challenge difficult in the first place. So you don't have to actually use any type of compounding or anything like that. You can just trade straight through with the same amount of risk on all your trades, which makes it so much easier and so much less stressful. So that will be the new way going forward. You don't have to use compounding at all. I think compounding is for like 6-year, very seasoned, very experienced traders. I'll be 4 years in next month. So, you know, I've done it many times. It's not like I can't do it, but to do it consistently month after month is not as easy as just trading the same amount of risk on all your trades. That is 1,000 times easier and 1,000 times less stressful. So I much prefer just using the same amount of risk on every trade. You don't have to think that hard. You don't have to put this whole plan together. You see the pattern and you take it. You use the same amount of risk every time. Makes it much, much easier. And I'm really glad that FTMO removed that time limit. It just really changed the whole situation. So, but either way, I'm still gonna trade my regular accounts too. I don't use compounding on my regular accounts. I just trade those normal. So yeah, the whole FTMO challenge before with that 30 day time limit honestly was a little bit ridiculous. And we had to come up with all these crazy creative ways to get through it. But now, like I said, now that that's not the case, it's just it's a new day. So yeah, there is that. Yeah, this is a really nice trade here. All right, so I'm just going to keep my little screen up here to where I can see whether or not my volume is still on. I can just make this smaller, right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'll just keep this on here so I can see. And if it goes out, I'll just take it out, plug it back in. That seems to work for now until tomorrow when I get this cable. Tiger, you said, how come you don't trade your regular accounts on stream? It's because they're not $100,000, $50,000. They're not that big, so it's not as exciting for people. Even though it's a nice income, if people want to see, you know, 100K accounts, 50K accounts. That's what like people are drawn to. But you can have, you know, a $10,000 account and do just fine. You don't have to have that much. And then with the limits they put on the FTMO accounts, the 100K account almost is a 10K account because you can't use 1% risk. You'd be risking $1,000 per trade, which is way too much. Daniel S, you said, which indicator am I using to show the volume over here? It's on TradingView. It's only certain brokers actually give the volume or report the volume. So like Forex.com doesn't, Pepperstone does, I think Oanda does. Yeah, you guys were actually the ones that told me about this. Only certain brokers report it, and then you have to put it in over here. It's somewhere in here. Just search for volume. It should come up. Tiger, you said, I don't think your audience is like that. I believe we would like to see you stream other accounts as well. It's totally fine. Yeah, you know, I that's the thing. I was doing smaller accounts on here and it really didn't get views. It only really got like actual views when, you know, I put the 50K, the 100K, you know, that's when people want to tune in. But if you have like a 10K account, they're not really trying to see that. Oh, you only made $300 in a day. They want to see you make like $2,000 in a day, $1,000 in a day, you know, which is fine. You know, I'm not like hating on the game or whatever. This is these guys' fault for buying all these Lambos and Ferraris and McLarens and stuff at the age of 25. Now everybody's like view of it is skewed. They think you're supposed to have all these things super young and you're supposed to get into Forex and a year later you have a Lambo. That's just not how it is. But that's what a lot of these guys are putting out there. Win Lambo. I don't think people realize how expensive Lamborghinis and Ferraris and all these like super high-end cars, not only to buy them but to maintain them, is insane. Like insane. You got to be like super rich to get a car like that. You can rent one though. You can rent one for pretty cheap, but I mean to actually buy one is way up there. Okay, we got about 5 minutes before the session. I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, it's back. Sorry guys, like I said, this will be fixed tomorrow. I really think it is the cord, because as soon as I touched the cord is when it went out. So as soon as that cord comes here, we should be fine. But sorry, in the meantime, I'm just gonna have to work with it now. Technical difficulties. I do believe the dollar is coming down today, but we'll see what happens on the open. But that looks like it should be the case. Might go up a little bit, maybe it comes back up to here and then comes down. Looks like it should be coming down today. That's my guess. Like I said, the only problem is these two pairs are still in a pretty nice downtrend, even though these two aren't. And this is still in a nice uptrend. So I would have to wait for those three to reverse before I do anything. MKKM, you said you can take a 5K or 10K challenge for content. I think I have done that. I've done so many of these, I forget what I've done. I think I've done a 10K and a 25K and made videos about it, I think. I've been doing YouTube for like 2 years now, so I forget what videos I even made. I have like 160 videos now. It's pretty crazy to think about. Okay, here's the open. We got 3 seconds. Let's see what we get. Should push up here. But like I said, I think the dollar is going to end up coming down, so I'm going to wait for a reversal possibly here. I definitely don't think it continues to go up. Same with the dollar. I don't think it's going to go much further than here, if it even makes it that far. Oh, to do a 10K challenge for the live? Yeah, we'll see. Like I said, I'm for like a month at least, I'm taking a break from all of it, so I'm just gonna do these trial accounts and trade my regular accounts, and that's it for the rest of August. And then in September I'll see what I'm gonna do then. I do still want to get that max amount of funding by the end of October like I planned, so I do still have to do it at some point. But yeah, it was just burning me out. It was too much, all the compounding and everything. But thank goodness I don't have to do that anymore. I don't have to compound anymore, or even think about doing it. As good of a strategy that it is pretty stressful, and trading can already be stressful, so you can minimize the stress. That's definitely the way to go. All right, so I'm looking for reversals on these 3 pairs here: the AU, the NZDU, and the UCAD. I want this to come down. I want these 2 to go up. I don't think these trends are going to continue that they're in right now. And these are ready to go up already. These 2 here. Frank is always doing his own thing. Looking a little rangy for me. I think I'll leave that one alone today. EGBP, I still expect for this one to come up. So I'm just waiting on a good pattern here. I'm not sure what's going on here. It should be going up, so I'm not sure. It's just too many tails, and it's too choppy. But if it starts to go up in a nice trend, I might get in here too. Yes, let's get that maximum funding. Yes. That is the goal. At the ends, I'm not sure either. This is a nice double top on the hourly chart. Triple top actually. / head and shoulders. So it might actually go down. Definitely some movement today. Like I said, looking for a nice solid reversal here on the dollar. I think I'm right here. Now, I could be completely wrong and just breaks through and continues going up, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think it does go down today, at least for the London session. Be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Helps out the stream quite a bit, helps out the channel. I do appreciate it. M Madu, you said the USD JPY will it go down or up? I'm not 100% sure. Look, based off the index, I'll say the index probably goes up, which would mean these pairs will go down. But I'm not 100% on that. It's not a super clear direction yet. But yeah, we should know probably within the next half an hour where they're going. Okay, we might actually begin our reversal already over here on the dollar. Definitely have to be patient on this one though, because it has a lot of things working against it. Like I said, these are some pretty heavy downtrends to come out of, but it's also right at this level too. Same here, it's right on the level. What I'm looking for is some nice actual trends and not all this choppiness. You said you shorted the USD JPY. Yeah, like I said, I personally wouldn't have taken a trade yet here. So I'm really not sure where it's going. It looks to be going down, but it's not really clear yet. I'll say it has a better chance of going down than going up. I'll put it like that, but I'm not 100% on that. So that's really all I can say right now. Okay, we're getting a move up here. So this might end up being an uptrend here, but it's got a long way to go. And I actually forgot, since I'm not compounding, I'm actually using $400 risk. So there's 0.4% on this 100K here. That's the way to go if you're not compounding. We want to see a nice solid move down here on the dollar, and that'll be the signal. Okay. Once I get a solid green bar here, I might actually enter. I think I will use a buy stop just to be a little bit more on the safe side. Yeah, we have to put that down there. Yeah, I do need a nice solid green bar though. Over here. Okay. Oops. There we go. Okay, let's see. Still nothing too solid yet. Yeah, it's been a lot of really slow days, kind of like out of the ordinary. But that's what I've noticed is the really good trades, they really do jump out at you. If it's not good, you can tell that it's not good. When it's great, you can tell that it's great. So if it's not great, it's really better to just not take any trades and wait until something actually good pops up. Okay, so we are getting, let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to come down. It still hasn't actually put in a full red bar yet, but we are getting some reversal movements. So it's starting over here, but this is obviously way too early to actually try to reverse on it. Wait for like a double top or an engulfing top. That is the safe way to go. Sorry about the knocking. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's the fridge over here. Sounds like a sleepy woodpecker. That's what that is. Still no green bar here either, but I do think this is coming up. Okay, Spot Me Fly said August, low liquidity. Yeah, you know, I've heard about the summer being, you know, less movement and everything like that. Maybe I just didn't notice, or maybe I just didn't know my first couple of years, because I feel like I traded through the whole year and didn't have too many issues. But this year in particular has been much slower, noticeably slower. Everyone's got their PPP money. They don't need to trade anymore. I don't know, something. Okay, looks like the yens actually might be coming down. Yeah, okay. And if the dollar's coming down too, this might actually be a good move here. So like I said, I do want to wait for a full red bar. And I think I'll actually go ahead and get into that. It should be a pretty big move down too. So I can do a little bit more with the stop loss. It's already kind of big though. 20. I'm gonna go for 60, 61 on the take profit. Oh, I didn't put that on there. Hold on. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is the first trade I took here. Okay. Looks pretty good. Still not a great move down here yet, but it looks like it's coming. It might take a while though. And still no move up here. So just gonna have to wait on that one. Same here. But those two both should be coming up. The great thing about the yen pairs is they tend to trend really heavy when they do trend, and they'll go on for like days and days. So if this trade does go through, it is $1,200. Or somewhere in there. Okay, still no move down here yet. So we'll see if it makes it all the way up here. It might actually make it all the way up here. So it should reverse at one of those 2 points. We're doing pretty good. It's only 12:20. Already got a nice trade. And we got a couple in the works right now. This came down a little bit further than I thought it would. Still keeping my eye on this one. And this move here is a good 50 more pips to go, so it might take a little bit longer. Might have to wait for this one overnight. We'll see. But yeah, if the dollar starts coming down, it should definitely go by a lot faster. It's still going up at the moment. I'm getting a move back up here. Yeah, I might just wait on this one. Now, if it would have kept going up, it would have looked a lot better. But it went down way further, like I was saying, than I thought it would. So I'm not too sure about that one now. Got a little bit of a pullback here. Hopefully we won't end up getting stopped out here. I think the stop loss should be fine. 14. Yeah. I could move it up like a pip or two. It doesn't have much space, but I think it's okay. I can always re-enter after if it does go past here. This trade, if I'm right, honestly could take hours. This is a consolidation bar on the hourly chart, so it would take all the way until 1 o'clock just for that bar to be finished. I really should move the stop like 2 pips up just to give some space for here. I don't want to put it all the way up here, that's too far, but I should move it to here. Yeah, that would be smart. Two pips. There we go. Okay. Had to give a little bit more space. 23, 18. Okay. Now, of course, it could go all the way up here, but I wasn't gonna put this. That would be a 50 pip stop loss. So I couldn't put it all the way up there. So I had to go, assuming that that's going to be a consolidation bar. So it's already a triple top, head and shoulders on the hourly chart. So very good chances of it going down, but like I said, it could go back up to the top of here somewhere before it goes down. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Komodo Dragon, you said morning, evening. Did you see the challenge graph? Yeah, I actually responded to your email earlier today. So check your email, it should be in there. So this session has a lot of moves that are in the works, and they might not actually be ready by like 1 o'clock. So what I could do is set some buy and sell stop orders just to catch them where I know they're gonna go if it doesn't happen in the next like half an hour. That's another thing I've been doing lately. So on the sessions where it's really slow and the moves just are not forming, you can use stop orders, so you can at least get something while you go to sleep and wake up and the trade just goes through on its own, which is nice. Okay, dollar is still going up. It did pass this level here, so it'll probably make it up to this one here. Okay, big moves down. It's good. The further it goes down, the further it potentially reverses. Even better. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was going to cross this line here, but yeah, it looks like it will make it up to this one. It's going pretty quick too. Do have a nice green bar here. Kind of tempted to get into it. Yeah, I think I will. Alright, another pretty good trade here. Ah. Yeah, it looks like this might end up going all the way up here. That's too bad. Definitely should have went with the buy stop here instead of the market order. That's my fault. Might still be okay though. Okay, looks like a possible recovery here. Oh man, Komodo Dragon, you said you were so patient. I would have fired so many kill shots already and blown a count. Gotta be patient, man. Gotta look for the A+ trades. I wouldn't call either one of these A+, but A- at least. I'll put this one in the A- category. This one's in the B+, A-. It would have been A had I used a buy stop order instead. Once again, you know, me being impatient. I might have to pay $400 for it right now, or $500. Oh, there's a good way to think about it. Be patient or you're costing yourself money. Can't be making these costly mistakes. This is yet another case of use stop orders. In situations like this, save yourself a bunch of money and unnecessary losses. Alright, so this trade might end up failing. This one's looking pretty good still though. Oh. Okay. Well, as long as I win one of these, I'll still be up. Whichever one goes through. I don't know if both of them are going to go through, but one of them should. And in that case, I would still have like 600. If they both go through, I'll have 2,400. Man, I wish every broker had spreads like FTMO does. FTMO has some of the lowest spreads I've ever seen. It's really good, especially on pairs like the EGBP. My regular broker is a 3 pips spread, and on FTMO it's 0.5. So there's a huge difference. Looks like it actually recovered though. At least for now. I'm still in there. Barely. Okay, so we do have the start of a move down here. Need a lot more confirmation than that though. We have a nice decent move up here. Still need way more from this for me to do anything. As of now, it's a big choppy mess. So I'm not going to mess with that one yet. But this should be a nice uptrend once it gets started. Alrighty. Yeah, if I survive this trade here, I'll be shocked. It is possible though. Once again, all of that would have been avoided with a buy stop order. It was gonna go up. Would have triggered right here, and none of this would be happening right now. Still in there. Okay, it does look like these moves are starting to form now. So quick bathroom break, and I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, it looks like I am going to lose this trade. Once again, 100% my fault for not using that buy stop order. Completely avoidable. Completely avoidable. All right, so that mistake there is going to cost me, looks like $600. Oh. Once again, use buy stop order, use stop orders in these type of situations. Let me make sure this mic is working. Yeah, Edvin Hassel, he said, why low quality setups? Mini trades not worth it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, like I said, this should have been a buy stop order for sure. That would work. I thought it was fine already, but yeah, buy stop right here. Boom. Would have been the way to go. So if it was going to go up and put in a big uptrend like I think it's going to, I wouldn't have had that loss there. So again, that was my fault. Me being impatient. This one, like I said, should be a consolidation bar on the hourly chart. So that hourly bar is going to be done in 7 minutes, and we'll see what happens from there. This trade is a lot better than the other one. How long have you been trading, Edvin? Okay, 3.5 years. Pretty much the same as me. What, you went short here? It was a decent move. You could have went short there. You could have went long here. Like I said, I'm expecting for the dollar to reverse at some point. Although it might take a minute, but I believe that's what's going to happen. So I didn't want to continue these trends, although it was halfway decent. Actually, yeah, I don't think they were the best trades ever. Could have at least got 2 reward out of it. Yeah. But I also thought this would be going up already. So that's why I wouldn't have shorted the... If anything, I would have went here. I guess that would have worked too. Yeah, that would have worked too. Yeah. No, I hear you. I see. But like I said, this should be reversing. So it wouldn't make much sense to do that if the dollar is going to go in the other direction at some point within the next like half an hour. Yeah, send it. You can send it to my email. nj@ccxcollective.com or daytradernj@gmail.com. Those were okay moves. I wouldn't say those were fantastic either. Okay, still no move up here. This one's inching its way up. Starting to get some reversal energy here. It's still got a long way to go though, because this is definitely not reversing at the moment. And neither are these two. So we gotta wait for those. They got those super hard peaches right now. Komodo Dragon, you said NZDU direction. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Like I said, I think the dollar should be reversing and coming down. But the NZDU is definitely not ready to go up at this point. I'm not really sure if it goes down for much longer either. So this is not in a great spot at all. Yeah, you have to wait for the dollar to decide on a direction. Okay, so right now actually is going to be the end of this bar on the hourly chart. So we'll see if it continues down from here. Right there. Okay, so that's the end of that bar there. Nice consolidation. We'll see if it goes back up and comes back up to this red line here, or it'll just continue down. This one is coming to this level here. It's pretty much right on it. So, but depending on what happens here, I might still get into this one, or get back into this one. Still no move down here yet. Okay. End up losing this one too. So we'll see what happens when it makes it up here. right. Okay, getting the start of a reversal here. Definitely nothing I can do yet. I might go with a sell stop on this one, depending on what happens here. This one might have peekabooed out of my stop loss, only to come down right after. It might be the case on this one. Good old peekaboo flippy reversal. Yeah, I think I will go with the sell stop here. I think so. This is why I'm so lazy to do sell stops. You have to do so much more calculation than just a market order. But it saves you so much. Edvin Hassel, you said you sent the chart. I appreciate it, man. I'll check it out. You know how much longer sell stops take or stop orders take? I'm just gonna have to get used to it though, because that is the way to go a lot of the time. All right, all that to put in one order. Do you see why I get lazy sometimes and just do market orders instead? That is the reason. Okay. All right. So there's that. And I don't know if I believe in this one anymore. I do, but I don't. I'm kind of torn on this one now. Of course, this will be when it goes through too. Oh. Oh my. Alright, this would be the better. Okay, just re-entering on the yen, and my USD Swiss franc trade triggered. Hopefully not too early, but it looked like it was in a good spot. Okay. Make sure I got that right. Okay, got that right there. Why this not trigger on this one? Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one anymore. It looks decent, but yeah. Not the greatest. It's not the greatest. All right. Okay, so I did get back into this one too. Okay, there's the re-entry. Went a little further than my stop loss. And still no actual reversal here yet. I'm just looking around now to see if I want to take anything else. This probably will work, but I'm not going to get back into it. But yeah, it's probably a nice uptrend here. Same here. I just don't think they're good enough to actually get into. So I'm going to leave those alone. It's not bad though, but nope. Something tells me not to, so I'll leave it alone. Other than that, I'm thinking this wouldn't be a bad buy stop here either. Okay, yeah, I think this is a decent buy stop here. Wow, that's. Hold on, hold on. I gotta place these orders. Hold on. He said for a second I thought Jamie Foxx was streaming. I'll take it. I'll take it. Hope he's doing okay. Yeah, these stop orders take forever to do. Goodness gracious. Like 8 times more work. I gotta start using these way more than I am. There was a point where I was only doing stop orders. Okay. Goodness. Okay. Whew. Man. He works hard for the money. All right. I got buy stop here. Two reward on that one. And what else? U yen. This one's just a market order. U franc. This one already triggered, but that was a sell stop order. And that is it. So if all of this goes through, this is just 2 here. That's 800. 2 here, it's another 800. And 3 here, 1200. 2800. So if all this goes through, I'll wake up and I'll have 2800, well, minus 1,000 that I lost, so 1800. If all this goes through, I'll end up making 1800 for the day, with those 2 clumsy losses even included. So there's that. It is about 125 right now. I think that will be all for today. I definitely don't want to take any more trades. This is already gonna make 5 trades now. So my limit is 6 for the day anyway. I don't really see anything else anyway. So this should be good enough. If I'm right, I think this will all go through. So definitely makes up for the 2 losses. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully this damn mic is working. Okay, yeah, we're still on. Okay, so I have my new cord tomorrow. This mic will hopefully be fixed tomorrow. I think it's just a cord. I don't think I gotta buy a new mic or anything. Hopefully. So yeah, go ahead and hit the like button if you did enjoy the stream. I will be back tomorrow at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual, and I will see you guys later.